Welcome back to another video at this creek again, where there are muskies. Something splashed under here somewhere, I don't know what. But I'm here after work because I heard the muskies hit better in the evening, so we're going to see if that's true. Little creek, muskie fishing. What could go wrong? There's nobody, also I might add, there's nobody here. This is the first time this has ever happened to me. There's nobody here. People at the spillway, that's a given though. I'm also getting sick. Out of fail, I get the bass. On the whopper plopper. It's a decent largemouth. Look at that. Honestly, biggest bass of the year, probably 2 pounds. Nice bass on the whopper plopper, kind of going for muskie, but I'll take this and not catch any muskie. Might as well just go for the bass. I mean, if I just catch like 20 bass, that's pretty cool too. Topwater bass fishing is always a hit. Topwater fishing in general is always a hit. Everywhere you go. One guy I talked to last month said, I got 8 follows, man. I got 0 fish seen. I got nothing. Saw some bluegills, saw some carp, caught a bass. I think I'm not catching a fish because I did an intro first. Usually I come in, don't film an intro. Shit happens. So it's like 7:30. Zilchy. I've never seen a muskie just today. I've not seen one. I've seen bass, I've seen everything else. I have not seen a ski. People were saying, one dude I was talking to caught 3, he said, in the evening. I wish I was... thought. Well, he was sitting right there. Well, gosh darn it. Dang nabbit, he was sitting right here. He's right there. He's right there. Yeah, he just swimming you. You just missed it. My guy, what are you doing? I'm looking at him right now. He doesn't care anymore. I don't think he cares anymore. I also had a stick on it. That's maybe why he doesn't care about it. So I hooked one in the spot. I didn't really want to hook one in. And that's in the water. Oh, he broke me off. Right in the sticks, and that was it. Right in the sticks, and that was the end of that. Said I didn't want to hook one there. Look what happened. Good thing I have more of those whopper ploppers. Or we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna just go fish the end and then just keep going back and forth. That one I just blame on the muskie going into the tree. Because I had him, then he went in the tree and he jumped, and that was it. My net also, for some reason, is sticking. When I went to slide the handle out, I think I might have pushed it in too far because it was sticking and it wasn't. But the fish was already in the trees at that point, so it is what it is. I just want one. That's all I want. If this is the window I had the fish for muskie, they're gonna hit. I'm not gonna do this again because this is like a half-hour window and it's stupid. It's almost dark. Probably can't even see me in the GoPro. Probably can't even see shit. This lighting for the GoPro is terrible. Alright, I can't see at all. Oh, that one's over. Oh, I got it back. That's it. That's over. It's over with. I can't see. You can't see. You know, I got a video. I'm gonna do of me losing it. That's gonna be the video. It's gonna be a short freaking video. But hey, thanks for watching. It's dark. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah.